One way to survey team members without a lengthy conversation or a long email thread is by adding a poll. Hi, I'm Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro and a Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to add a poll in Microsoft Teams. Polls are created in a Teams channel using the Microsoft Forms app. Another polling option is the Poly app. So here's an example of a simple poll created with Forms. As team members complete it, then the results will show below. One of my team members, Alan, is going to complete this. And he's a big fan of dessert. So this is a multiple choice poll. And then once he's done, he can submit his vote. Now we see that the poll has been updated and there have been 2 different people who have responded. It's simple to create a poll. Let's just start this as a new conversation, then move to the more or ... From there, we'll choose Forms. So now I have my question, I have my answers. We could allow for multiple answers or only one, and add other options as well. Choose Next to preview the poll. We can edit if necessary, otherwise I'll send. I'll create a quick mention to make sure that this poll is completed. And we're ready to start collecting responses. In this quick tip, you've seen how to simplify communications by adding a poll in Microsoft Teams. For more tips on being productive with Teams, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.